Hey everybody, this is JTAG, and today I'll be showing you how to update your JTAG with the new Freeboot 0.04 to the new dash 2.0.12611. That is the newest dash that just came out in November. And so the first thing you're going to need to do is I recommend getting your CPU key. If you don't know how to do that, you're going to need to hit the eject button on your JTAG, wait for the screen to load, keep loading, eventually it'll just say your CPU key is blah, blah, blah. Copy that down and get in your original NAND and get those both of those things, and then download these two programs. I'll have a link in the underbar. So that's Easy Freeboot and Flash 360. So you're going to open up Easy Freeboot and you're going to go to the exe, and this little thing will pop up. If you're using some of this stuff, just click it. You hit create an image, find your original NAND, just hit open, enter your CPU key. Oh, where did I keep it? Gotta find my CPU key. So I've got my CPU key now, and I'm just gonna paste it in here. Or you can hit get CPU key. I just like to do the eject button way, just because I don't know, I feel like that's a little more trustworthy or something. But I'm sure this works fine. Then hit OK. Double check that this is the kind of motherboard you have and stuff. If so, then hit yes. CMD will pop up, hit any key to continue, and then it'll do its thing, and then hit enter, and then any key, and then save it somewhere where you can remember. I'm just gonna put mine on the desktop. I already have it on my desktop. Now then I'm gonna put it in a random folder that I know has nothing in it. We'll save it in here. And then it'll say all done, Freeboot image created. Hit OK, and you can close this out. And then you're going to need to find your Flash 360 folder and open it up, and you'll see a media and a Flash 360 XCX. If you have a README or something, you can just leave that or delete it, doesn't matter. And then you're going to take your UPD flash.bin, and you're going to drag and drop it into here. And now that you have it dragged and dropped into this Flash 360, you're going to need to plug in some sort of USB. I'm using a 2 gig USB, but I'm sure you can use a much smaller one or a much bigger one. And you're going to need to put this Flash 360 folder onto your thingamabobber. Alright, so now that thingamabobber, I know, right? Alright, so now that this is on your USB, we're going to go ahead and head over to the Xbox. Hey, now that we're on the Xbox, you can see that I've already updated my dashboard to the new dash with the new Freeboot, but that's fine. It's the same steps that you guys have to do for the old one. It's practically identical. So you're just going to go to your game library and start up XCX menu. You got to sign in or whatever. And make sure to plug in that flash drive. Now you're going to navigate to your flash drive and click on Flash 360. Make sure your UPD flash.bin file is inside of there. That's important. And then you're just going to go ahead and go up to Flash 360 and run that XCX, or whatever, EXE. And then you'll get this little program, and you're just going to hit A, write the UPD flash.bin to NAND. And you're going to get a new screen, and you're going to hit B. And I'm not going to actually hit B because I don't want to reflash it, because as you saw, I've already updated it and mine's working, so there's no point for me to do it again, and I already have some other things installed. But if you get any warnings or anything, if you followed my guide and used that program to make your Freeboot, I would not worry about them. I would just ignore them. If you're using a donor file, you're almost going to be guaranteed to get a warning file. Once again, you hit the B button once you're here. And so just ignore any warnings you get. And if something goes wrong, and don't freak out, there's plenty of things that you can do to reflash it and fix it, and all sorts of stuff. So don't freak out if you have any problems. Just comment on below. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Please comment below with any questions, thumbs up, and subscribe.